All right, fishing fans, Jason here with Strike 3 Fishing. I got a little short clip. I was out fishing the other day and ran into a couple deer swimming across the lake. That's the first time I've ever seen something like that while on the water, so it's pretty cool. I videoed it. Want to show it to you guys. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Can y'all see them deer? These deer swimming. Can y'all see them? A doe and a fawn. Wow, isn't that crazy? Little fawn and a doe swimming in Mark Twain Lake. Look at this. Unbelievable. Don't see that every day. Look at it go. Wow. It's a little fawn. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? There she goes. Little bitty fawn right there. Going up to mama. Wow, you don't see that every day. You don't see that every day.
No, that's the first time I've ever seen that.
I come around the corner and I thought it was a couple kids. Somebody just fell off a ski or something, and I thought, there's two deer.
Well, I kind of thought there were people swimming with you. I was like, slow down, and they're like, shit, that's deer.
Yeah.